What is momentum? In simple terms, momentum is considered to be a quantity of motion. This quantity is measurable because if an object is moving and has mass, then it has momentum. Something that has a large mass has a large momentum, or something that is moving very fast has a large momentum. Oftentimes, we discuss people or teams having the momentum in some sport setting. For instance, if Tiger Woods starts making a bunch of great shots in a golf match, we will say that he has momentum. When we use the term this way, we mean that he is on the move or that he is unstoppable. So, objects with a large amount of momentum are hard to stop. In physics, momentum is a quantity that can be calculated by multiplying the mass and velocity of the objects involved. Momentum is expressed by the letter P. So, momentum equals mass times velocity, or P equals to m times v. Therefore, if any object of any mass is not moving, its momentum is zero because its velocity is zero. For example, two football players of equal mass are traveling towards each other. One is moving at 5 meters per second and the other at 8 meters per second. The one moving with the faster velocity has a greater momentum and will knock the other one backwards. The stacked ball drop experiment. This is a simple experiment to see a momentum transfer between two objects. First, you need a big ball. It can be a basketball, a football. Second, you need a much more smaller ball than the first. In this experiment, we use a football and a rubber ball. Now, check out how high these different balls bounce. The football, the rubber ball, now we will place the rubber ball on top of the football and let's see what happens next. Did you see that? How we can get the rubber ball to bounce up with that much energy? When you drop them individually, each ball starts out with some potential energy from the height of the drop. As the balls hit the ground, some energy goes into heating up the ground and some goes into hitting the ball. Because that energy left the ball system, you can't get back up to the same height. But when you combine them, the rubber ball goes higher than its drop height, way higher. Where does it get the extra energy? As the football bounces, it compresses, storing elastic potential energy. As it releases, it springboards the rubber ball upward just at the right moment. Also, during the transfer of energy, some momentum transfers from the football to the rubber ball, and since the football starts with way more momentum because of its larger mass, the rubber ball's velocity increases by a lot and it flies up and away.
If an eagle and a bumblebee are both traveling at 10 km per hour, which has the greater momentum? A. Eagle, B. Bumblebee, C. Both, D. Neither. You have 5 seconds to answer, starting from now. The answer is A. Eagle. If you got it wrong for this quiz, probably you are thinking about this bumblebee, but not this bumblebee. Which has more momentum, a 5 kg fish swimming at 100 m per hour or a 25 kg fish at rest? A. The 5 kg fish, B. The 25 kg fish, C. Both, D. Neither. You have 5 seconds to answer starting from now. The answer is A. The 5 kg fish.
Which has a greater momentum, a 2-ton roller coaster moving at 50 km per hour or a 2.5-ton truck moving at 35 km per hour? A. They are the same. B. Neither. C. Truck. D. Roller coaster. You have 5 seconds to answer starting from now. The answer is D. Roller coaster. Momentum cannot be shifted between two objects. True or false? You have 5 seconds to answer starting from now. The answer is false. Momentum can be transferred between two objects.